Earth's complex web of life has taken millions of years to evolve. From the dutiful multitudes of the microscopic kingdom to the gentle giants of the deep. From aquatic forests swaying rhythmically in the surging swell to mystical forests of gnarled and ancient trees. From every delicate floral form to infinite harmonious adaptations. We are but a single thread in this complex web, bound together inextricably. To conserve and protect diversity. To seek solutions that support humanity. To live in harmony with nature. This is our path to sustainability and prosperity. Grootbos Private Nature Reserve. The journey begins.